Hello guys, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we'll be doing a full review of the latest smartphone, that is OPPO Find X. So hope you will enjoy our video. So let the review begins.
Easy go.
So here OPPO included a new feature in its smartphone, is the pop-up camera. It's quite good, and it has all the sensors on the front pop-up tray. Its front camera is 25 megapixel with the aperture f2.0, so it's the best camera. The color of the mobile is good. So here we have some dimensions, weight, SIM, color, size, etc. The OPPO Find X look like this. It's a very interesting and beautiful look. So the UI is amazing. Here is the interior of the OPPO Find X, just for the engineers. Here's the pop-up tray functions, all the motors, etc. You can look that. So OPPO said that the pop-up tray has been tested around 3 lakh times. It has 6.42 inches display, panoramic arc screen, and the visual quality is too good. It's bezel-less and notch-less display, so you can enjoy the full display here. And it has Snapdragon 845, 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 3730 mAh battery. It has the 3D face recognition, instantly and securely unlock system. So here we are showing some features of the OPPO Find X. You can take a look on this. Let's talk about the launching of OPPO Find X in Pakistan. OPPO Find X will launch at the end of this month. So let's talk about the price of the OPPO Find X. It is expected that in Pakistan it would be 90,000 or 1 lakh. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the like button.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.